In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Mailchimp automated emails to new subscribers. We'll walk through creating a simple welcome automation step by step so that every new subscriber gets an immediate, friendly email from you without you having to lift a finger each time. First, log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're on your main dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Find the option labeled Automations and click on it. When that expands, choose Flow Templates. This is where Mailchimp gives you ready-made automation setups that you can customize. On the Flow Templates page, scroll down until you see the section called Find and Welcome New Contacts. This area contains several different welcome email templates. You can pick whichever one best fits your needs, but in this walkthrough, we'll use the option called Welcome Contacts who subscribed via your pop-up form. Click on that template. You'll be taken to a preview page that shows you how this automation is structured. If you're happy with the general layout, go ahead and click Use this flow in the top right corner. Now you're in the flow editor. Here you'll see a visual map of the automation. In this example, it usually starts with a sign up for email trigger, followed by an email action, then a 3-day delay, another email action, and finally an add tag step. This visual map helps you understand exactly what will happen and in what order for every new subscriber. If you want to add more steps to this map, look again to the left-hand toolbar inside the editor and click on Map. A panel will slide out showing different rules and actions you can use, like additional delays, conditions, or extra emails. Simply drag and drop any of these onto your flow where you want them, and Mailchimp will insert them into the sequence. To customize each part of the automation, just click directly on the step in the flow map. For example, click on the Sign Up for Email trigger. A panel or pop-up will appear with settings for that trigger. Here, you can choose whether to include imported contacts, which is helpful if you also upload subscribers from other sources. Because we selected a template specifically for people who subscribed via your pop-up form, you'll see a filter that says the sign-up source is pop-up form. If you want to change this filter, click Edit Filter, adjust the conditions as needed, and then click Save Trigger. Next, click on the first Send Email action. A new panel will open where you can configure the details of that email. You can edit the to and from information, set your subject line, and choose or design the email content. This is where you set the tone of your welcome message, introduce your brand, and possibly share a welcome offer or helpful resource. You can also adjust the schedule and tracking options, deciding when exactly the email should go out once someone triggers the automation and what metrics you want Mailchimp to track. Then, click on the time delay step. In the pop-up, you can set how long Mailchimp should wait before sending the next email. You can change the delay from days to hours or weeks and adjust the number to fit your strategy. If you decide you don't want to delay at all, you can simply remove this step from the flow right from the same pop-up. Repeat this process for the remaining steps in your flow. Click the next email action to customize its subject, content, and timing. If there's an add tag step at the end, click on it to choose which tag you want applied to contacts who complete the flow. Tagging can help you segment your audience later for more targeted campaigns, so it's worth thinking about how you want to label these new subscribers. Take your time going through each step to make sure everything reads clearly and aligns with your goals. When you're satisfied with the entire sequence, look for the option to turn the automation on. Once you toggle it on, Mailchimp will begin running this flow automatically for every new subscriber who meets your trigger conditions. And that's it. You've set up a Mailchimp automated welcome email sequence for new subscribers using one of their flow templates. Now, every new person who joins your list via your pop-up form will receive a smooth, consistent experience, and you'll be nurturing those relationships from the very first interaction.